In today's video, I'm going to show you how to change the theme in the Brave browser. Whether you're tired of the default look or you simply want a more personalized and visually appealing browsing experience, this step-by-step guide will walk you through everything you need to know. Let's start by opening your Brave browser. Once it's open, look at the top right corner of the screen and click on the three vertical lines. This will open the main menu where you can access different settings and options. From the menu, scroll down and click on Settings. This will take you to the main settings page where you can customize different aspects of your browser. On the left-hand side, look for the option labeled Appearance and click on it. This section is where you control how your browser looks and feels, including things like fonts, colors, and themes. Take a moment here to get familiar with the layout so you know where everything is. Now, find and click on the option called Themes. When you click this, you'll be redirected to the Chrome Web Store, which is where Brave sources its themes. You'll see a wide collection of themes available, ranging from simple and clean designs to more colorful and artistic ones. Take your time browsing through the available options. You can scroll, preview, and open different themes to see what they look like. If something catches your eye, click on it to view more details. Once you've found a theme you like, click the Add to Brave button. Within a few seconds, the theme will be automatically applied, and you'll immediately notice the change in your browser's appearance. Your tabs, toolbar, and overall interface will reflect the new design. If you want to try a different look later, you can repeat the same steps and switch themes anytime. There's no limit, so feel free to experiment until you find the style that suits you best. Here are a few quick tips to make things even smoother. Make sure your Brave browser is updated to the latest version so all features work properly. Also, if you're signed in to your Google account, your theme preferences can sync across devices, which is helpful if you use multiple computers. Another helpful tip is to occasionally explore new themes. Developers regularly upload fresh designs, so you might find something even better over time. And if you ever want to go back to the default look, you can simply return to the appearance settings and reset your theme with a single click. That's all there is to it. With just a few simple steps, you can completely change the look of your Brave browser and make it feel more personal and enjoyable to use. If you found this helpful, feel free to share it with someone who might need it. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.